2016 F-150 XL. Go over a few of my mods with you. G3 tail lights, LED license plate lights, custom plates, max val, running a 20x10 fuel vapor wheel, wrapped in a 35x12.5 Falken Wildpeak AT3s, factory running boards, factory door handles, running just normal F-150 mirrors. Didn't want to do the tow mirrors. I bought it with them on there, but I decided to go back to the normal mirror look. As you can see, just an XL. Sitting on a 2.5-inch MotoFab Leveling Kit. Did do some trimming in here. I will show you guys here. This crash bar is cut, and this crash bar is also cut there. Also trimmed back a little bit of the cab here. And just a very small touch of the front bumper down there on the bottom. And that's it. And you can clear 35s. Run a WeatherTech bug shield. Also G3 headlights to match the tail lights. I wanted to stick with the same brand. So far I love them. Running white Raptor lights. Smoked lens as well. So when the light is off, it's kind of tough to even see that there are lights. 55% windshield, 40% on the sides, and I decided to stay factory in the back just for the sake of me getting written tickets every day. Tonneau cover, low pro tonneau cover, was on here when I bought it. Tailgate assist, as well as a spray and bed liner. I think this bed liner was done from factory. No badging on it. Here's a cold start.